transmitted should have been heard on any operator receiver. The alarm tone will be used to alert you in times of threatening weather and will be followed by a watch warning or emergency message. This test will be conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, unless hazardous weather threatens to test. Will be postponed until the first good weather day. Once again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device.